We also want to be able to solve these problems algebraically. So when I want to solve one of these algebraically, what I do is I still want to know when it's greater than 0, but first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my equation and set it equal to 0. And then I'm going to find my critical points. Well, I know either x plus 2 has to equal 0 or x minus 5 has to equal 0 in order for this whole product to be 0. So I know x equals -2 and x equals 5 are my critical points. So what we do is we draw a number line and I write my critical points in. So I have -2 and I have 5. And I'm going to look at 3 areas here and see how it behaves. So I need to look at my parts. So I'm going to look at x plus 2 and I'm going to look at x minus 5 squared. So now what I'm going to do is I want to see what happens. Now the cool thing is no matter what, since this is squared, this is going to be positive no matter what number I put in. But I'm going to try to put some numbers in here. So I want a number less than -2, so I'm going to pick -3. So I have -3 plus 2, and that's a negative number. Now I'm going to pick something between -2 and 5. My favorite number is 0. 0 plus 2, that's 2, so that's positive. And then I'm going to look at greater than 5, 6. I have 6 plus 2, that's 8. That's positive. Now I have to multiply them. So a negative times a positive is a negative, a positive times a positive is a positive, and a positive times a positive is a positive, which tells me not, I have a round bracket because it's not equal, from -2 to infinity, I have values that will solve this equation.